We call it the House of the Ports. On this location, we let you discover today's port and the port of the future, but mainly the purpose of the port and how it plays a role in your daily life or maybe in your working life. So we aim at the general public, but also students. So here you can discover what kind of jobs, modern jobs you can find in the Port of Rotterdam. But we also aim at our neighbors and the businesses in the Port of Rotterdam to use this place as a location to meet with their clients or show people the port's purpose. Yeah. The story of the building and its contents and its exhibition is quite special maybe, because first we had a vision on what stories we wanted to tell, and we worked with a concept architect. And after we had that vision, then the architect for the building came in. So they designed the building around the storytelling and the customer journeys. So that's quite special that we could integrate the whole content of the building and the actual design of the building itself.
Here in Portlantis we have different technologies. We have media players, we have screens, we have projectors, we have the immersive audio. And everything has to come together and feel as one unique experience. It all had to have the best quality available and also very important, network controllable. Because there it's important that we can service and help them if there are problems remotely.
At Pharos, we are making lighting control and show control systems that are being used in museums, for example, this one. We have been controlling the lighting for quite a bit and show control, and with our recent integration with Genelec Smart IP system allows our customers to also control the sound, not just by sending the right messages to the DSP system, but also see the status of the speakers directly. So we can see if the speakers are still online, give warnings if necessary, make the indicator LED go on and off, see all the relevant details that the customer might want to do in installations like these.
Each exhibit has its own audio, and overall we have the Soundscape. All those audios in this one room, because everything is connected to each other, has to be exactly in balance. And with the Genelec system, we had the power, we had the direct control of each speaker to control that. And also the flexibility. So everywhere where we had a network connection, we could add a speaker. That makes the installation for us much easier than with a conventional speaker system.
So the brief for this project was to make an engaging sound with the museum, which should be immersive, and that you would not really hear certain sounds, but really have more of a feel of the whole idea. And of course, the museum is about the port of Rotterdam, and it's near the sea, and the nature is really important here. The future is important here. So there's all kinds of windy noises, also more abstract sounds, which like take you with. So it's like more of a musical sounds involved as well. The challenges we had from the start is, of course, you have a big building and there's a lot of floors. One of the first ideas I had was to make use of a lot of speakers, small ones, instead of a few big ones, to have sound like coming to you not at a very precise location, but have it more like, and enhance you in a certain way to make it more immersive. So that's why we chose to have a lot of smaller speakers on every level. And this level has more speakers, I think like 15 or 16 for the Soundscape, and it made use of a mixing environment called SPAT, which is immersive mix software. All the speakers, I have placed them in the right position, so this is really like the room we are now in. And the objects you see flying around are all different kinds of sound elements. So you really hear the sounds flowing around you.
We are very happy to see how our touch panels in the end are controlling the complete installation, not only the lighting and show elements, but also are able to integrate with the Genelec Smart IP system directly.
The end result is really fantastic. It's so much fun to see that there are children coming here visiting, but also business clients are coming to this building. They have meetings, there's a restaurant. It all comes together here.
You're designing things and you have all kinds of dreams about how it would work. And then when it comes together and it comes together like this, it's really great to see.
So yeah, we're happy.